check out a guest, select Billing from the Cashiering module. The in-house guest search screen displays. Use the search fields to locate a specific guest, or select the Due Outs checkbox to view all guests due out for the current date and select Search. Highlight the guest name in the results grid and choose Select. Because the guest is in a due out status, a checkout button is available. If the guest's departure date was not today, the same button would display as Settlement instead. Let's continue and select Checkout. The Checkout Options screen displays. The first option, Checkout, will close out the folio and check the guest out. The second option, Checkout with Open Folio, will leave the guest's folio open after checkout. Selecting the Checkout option and then OK will display the payment screen. If the guest has multiple windows, the title bar will indicate the active window and the payee assigned to that window. In cases when the payee is not the guest, you will notice the guest's name underneath the amount field, which is the case for direct bill checkouts. The payment code defaults to the payment method on the reservation or the payment method attached to the current folio window. Select the drop-down arrow to change as needed. If the guest is paying by credit card, the credit card number and expiration date fields are available. Otherwise, there is a supplement field to record other pertinent information, such as check number. Remember that the amount field will always default to the amount required to settle the folio to a zero balance. Select Post, and Opera will generate a folio for this folio window. If a credit card was the payment method and you have a credit card interface active, the interface will check for the approval amount and obtain a new authorization if the guest balance exceeds the approved amount. If more than one folio window exists with a balance, Opera will prompt you to continue with the next folio window. Select Yes to continue and repeat the payment process for the next billing window, remembering to always verify the payment method for each window. Once all folio windows have been settled to a zero balance and a folio is printed, the guest's status will be changed to Checked Out. The guest's name displays in red on the Window tab, and the Post and Payment buttons are disabled to prevent further financial changes on this folio.